Hi, my name is Tim. I'm one of the FlexiLearnHub tutors with an introduction to Advanced IDDSI Level 4. Puréed Diet Training. This course will be available at FlexiLearnHub from the 5th of January 2026. Welcome to the Advanced IDDSI Level 4 Puréed Diet Training Course, a complete professional guide designed for chefs, cooks, care staff and food service teams who prepare meals for individuals with dysphagia. Whether you work in a care home, hospital, community service, catering environment, or specialist facility, this advanced training will teach you how to create Level 4 textures that are not only safe, but also visually appealing, dignified, and delicious. What you will learn in this course. This comprehensive training expands on basic IDDSI understanding and dives deeper into the skills needed to produce high-quality, consistent Level 4 meals. Across 9 focus modules, you will learn understanding IDDSI Level 4, what defines a Level 4 puree, how it should look and behave, and why texture consistency is essential for safe swallowing. Preparing ingredients correctly, cooking techniques, ingredient handling, and preparation methods that ensure smooth, safe purees every time. The pureeing process, how to blend, add liquids, adjust consistency, and sieve purees to achieve a silky smooth finish. IDDSI testing methods, step-by-step demonstration of the official IDDSI tests. Spoon tilt test, fork drip test, spoon pressure test, portioning, moulding and piping, advanced shaping and styling techniques using silicone moulds and piping bags to create professional, realistic food shapes. Plate presentation and food styling, how to make Level 4 meals look bright, colourful and appetizing using colour contrast, layering and finishing techniques. Full meal demonstration, a complete walkthrough of preparing and plating a Level 4 chicken dinner with vegetables and mashed potato. Common mistakes and how to fix them. Dry, thin, lumpy or poorly presented purees and how to correct them easily. Professional kitchen standards. Storage, reheating, hygiene, labelling, documentation and consistency control in a real food service environment. A basic IDDSI understanding is highly recommended before you take this course. Why this training matters. For individuals living with dysphagia, eating can be challenging, but mealtimes should still feel enjoyable, dignified, and safe. This course empowers food service professionals to prepare Level 4 meals confidently, reduce choking and aspiration risk, improve dining experience and appetite, present food beautifully, comply with IDDSI global standards, maintain consistent quality in busy kitchens. Once Module 9 has been completed, you will have the option to take the General Knowledge Multiple Choice Quiz in order to receive your certificate, or you can go back and review any of the training material related to this course and take the quiz later when you feel you are ready to proceed. You have 12 months access to this course once you register, but please note, you have the first 90 days to pass the quiz. This gives you plenty of time to work around your current commitments. Don't worry, you can retake the course quiz if you do not pass first time. The quiz has a minimum 80% correct answer pass rate in order to be able to download your certificate, which is valid for 2 years. Please also note, you will need to complete the entire course video sequence before you do the quiz. Otherwise, you will not be able to download your certificate. Please log in or register an account if you are new to FlexiLearnHub in order to do this course. Please visit FlexiLearnHub.com for more information. Thank you for watching this video.